Hi ladies and gentlemen, you are listening to Malik Shazib from Tutorials Factory. If you are working on localhost, then I have also made a video for you of how to install WordPress on localhost. The link of that video is in the description. So in this lecture, we'll learn how to install WordPress on cPanel, and this is for you if you have purchased your domain and hosting account. First of all, what you have to do is log into your cPanel. How can you log in? You have to write your domain name that you have purchased / then type cPanel here and then press enter. After that, what you have to do is enter the username and password. You can get this username and password from your host provider. Then click on login. You will be logged into your cPanel. What you have to do is you have to write install and then you have to click on this icon. After that, what you have to do, you can see that here WordPress, you have to click on install. You have to fill a form here. So here we want to install the latest version of WordPress. After that, you have to choose the protocol. I am choosing this one. Choose the domain name. This is the domain on which I want to install WordPress. To remove this, after that, what you have to do is you have to write the site name. Let's suppose my site name is Malik Shazib Official, and you have to write the description of your website. Since I am new, I have not written the description, so I will write it web here as it is. Okay, you can write the description of your website here. Enter the username and password which you will need to log into your WordPress. So before installing WordPress, let me show you one thing. Open a new tab, write your domain name here and then press enter. You will see this interface. Why? Because we have not installed WordPress on our site. Let me show you one more thing. Copy your URL, open a new tab, paste here and then write wp-admin. So this is the URL which we will need to log into WordPress. Open it and you will see not found. Why? Because we have not installed WordPress on our website. So let's install WordPress and I will show you again what happens on this pages. So this is the username which you will need to log into your WordPress account. This is the password which you will need to log into WordPress, and here you have to enter your email address. So after entering password, username and admin email, click on this install button and then you can see that here checking the submitted data, the WordPress is installing on your website. So it has been finished. Congratulations, the software has been installed to your website. So let's go to again our domain, refresh this page and you can see that here malikshazib.official and the WordPress has been installed to our domain. And next, this is the URL which we need to log into WordPress. Again refresh it and you can see that here this is our user interface. So you have to enter your username which you have written and the password entered while creating the WordPress. Click on login. So now congratulations, you can start your work on your website. Your WordPress has been installed. Thank you very much and please subscribe to Tutorials Factory.